Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a lazy pierogi, and I told you before I'm not a chef, so this is just food that my mom taught us how to prepare when we were little. It's something very simple. The ingredients are simple. Right here we have mushrooms, we got onion and sauerkraut, and we're gonna fry it up with some oil. And then I have my noodles cooking right now. Okay, so we are using vegetable oil, which is canola. And you see this right down here? And so we're gonna saute up the mushrooms and the onions. Move it all around. And then we're going to put our noodles on top of here, which are the spiral noodles. So we're going to put these on a little bit later. They're still hot. And then we're going to put the sauerkraut in there when we put the noodles in, because this doesn't have to be sauteed, it just has to be heated up. And basically that's your that's all the ingredients. There's really just the 4 ingredients, and that's all. So do you want to start mixing that, Chef Terry?
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's a very simple meal. It tastes delicious. Look at those brown mushrooms.
I'm gonna let it brown a little bit.
All right, are you excited about this meal?
I am very excited because I do love sauerkraut.
Oh, but you're not a German.
No, I'm Belgian.
No, Belgian. But you still like sauerkraut.
I love sauerkraut.
Can I call you a kraut?
No,
Oh.
do not come.
All right, so the mushrooms are browned they look really delicious. So now I'm going to add some noodles to brown the noodles, and here they are. So we're going to dump these in with the sauteed onions and mushroom. And you can add a hamburger or ham or whatever kind of meat you want to, but I'm not a big meat eater, so I'm doing a vegetarian style. So we're going to let these noodles brown a little bit, and then we'll throw the sauerkraut in last. And this should be, I mean, it smells wonderful right now. What do you think, Terry?
It smells great. And just as a reminder, these noodles have already been cooked.
They've been boiled.
They've been cooked. So these are not just raw noodles out of the box being thrown into the pan.
Sorry, I didn't mention that, but these are not raw noodles.
They are cooked. You
can see how nice and, they flop around here, so they're not crunchy.
Okay.
All right, excellent.
Excellent.
Whoa. All right, so I just added the sauerkraut, and we're going to heat this up. The noodles didn't quite brown yet, but maybe they'll get brown. So, it smells real good though.
Smells amazing.
You know, if you got Polish blood like me, this sauerkraut, I mean, it's just delicious.
All right, you gonna mix that in now?
Yeah, we're gonna mix it in a little bit. If we can get the noodles to brown a little bit, that'd be great. Otherwise, it's all heating up together, and it's gonna be a wonderful meal when it goes on the plate.
Well, let's let it heat up and
awesome.
Next is the plate.
I'm with you. I'm hungry. What about you? Are you hungry?
I'm hungry, yes.
You look a little.
But not that hungry.
Yeah. All right. All right. So I've just heated this up, and the noodles didn't quite brown, but the onions and mushrooms are ready, and it's all hot. So we're gonna go ahead and move this and eat it. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna move this over here. And we're gonna give Terry a big bunch of this food. Take a look at that. Look at those noodles. Doesn't that look delicious? And those mushrooms and onions all mixed in there with the sauerkraut.
Looks pretty good. The sauerkraut looks amazing.
Look at those big onions, those pieces. That looks marvelous. Look at that. Is that enough for you?
That's more than enough.
Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. All right.
The steam is rising off that meal.
Okay, now Terry's just got her meal and it looks beautiful. She's got her spoon ready, and I see you're reading a book. So
yeah, the Clawed Creature.
Yeah, what do you think about this book?
Well, so far it's pretty interesting.
Is it scary?
Yes, it can be scary, but yet it's kind of funny.
Okay.
You know, it's got some humor.
All right, so let's take a bite and see what you tell me if you find any discrepancies.
Discrepancies, huh? Okay.
No, I mean the mushrooms might not be cooked enough. There might be not enough oil. I mean, it's got to be tasty. Come on, is this restaurant quality?
Actually, it's
Do you
very
need a
good.
napkin?
The
And
noodles are cooked
we got
well.
some pepper right here if you want pepper. And she just got done with yeah, she filled that with scotch, but that's all right.
No,
All
I
right,
didn't
so-
teasing. This is very good. I can taste.
It's hot.
I can taste.
How's those mushrooms? Are they sauteed?
The mushrooms are amazing.
Oh, that's
And
what
the
I wanted to hear.
sauerkraut is very, very tasty, and the noodles are well cooked.
And you're not even part German, so
No,
you're just
I'm not German.
you're French Belgium,
I'm French Belgium.
and this
I
is
still love the
this
meal.
is beautiful. This is a great meal.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so this is like a good dinner.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so tell me about this book again. What page are you on again?
About halfway through.
Is it scary?
Yes, there are scary parts
Oh,
in this book.
that's what I wanted to know.
I think everybody needs to know that you might not want to read this
Oh.
at night.
Oh boy. All right.
Well, you might want to read it at night, but
Or a campsite. I wouldn't want to be in a tent if I'm reading
don't
this
go
book.
camping and read this book.
Yes.
It'll be too scary.
Exactly.
But it's a fun book. It's a really good read.
Oh.
So.
All right. Well,
Thank
I'm
you for the
glad.
meal.
I am so glad you're enjoying the meal. I'm not a chef, and I cooked some meals, a meal today, just like I did before. And it looks like my guinea pig is actually enjoying the meal, which is what I wanted.
Not
All
a
right.
guinea pig.
So, anyways, what I'm going to do next time, the next show, I may do a game show, or I might do another cooking show. I have my mom introduced me to borscht. She showed all the kids how to make borscht, and I know borscht is a Russian food, but I wanted to make borscht because I really love the potatoes, the way she made it, and the way you dip it in the beet soup. So why don't I get a borscht show going? And it's kind of a tongue twister for me. What do you think there?
Yeah, I say let's do it.
She's lying. She ain't gonna be here. I'm gonna be here by myself. That's the problem.
Don't put it on me.
Okay, so
Oh my God,
so
man.
you liked the meal, you enjoyed it.
I did. I truly enjoyed this meal. Well, I'm still enjoying it. It's not eating.
Did you want some pepper on it?
I might have some.
Did you want some more JD in there?
I'll have some more punch.
Oh.
Please.
Okay. Like this kind of punch, or what kind of punch?
Actually, I'll just take water.
Water.
Would be great.
Okay. And check out my other videos. Some of those videos are very funny, and I'm not a real serious guy, but I like to get the point across. So please check it out. All right, I hope you all enjoyed the show. Goodbye.
See you next time. Bye.